and I saw it and it's just like, whoa, back up. So, like toddlers and new toys with new toys. Wanted to show you what a possum looks like.
Favorite plumbing.
We discovered a water leak on our hydrant here. We got to be able to have water over here. Lots of roots right here. So this is my pole. This pole right here is got a trumpet vine growing on it. It's beautiful in the summertime, but it's about to fall over, and it's probably definitely going to with this. We got to cut the trumpet vine and get it out. He was getting ready to say a pro tip.
Don't pour concrete around your frost freeze.
Oh, why?
Because you have to bust it out to get it out.
Oh, okay. He's gotten to the connector. So it's down there by the connector, probably.
Yep.
Or the PVC. Okay. We'll see what's next. Here we go, guys. Monty and Michelle here. Just found this guy. Came out to check eggs. Found it in one of our shelters where Rhodey and the sheep curl up in the weather. And this is a possum. These things are fatal, deadly to poultry. Wanted to show you what a possum looks like alive. This is an adult. It's not a baby. They just kind of hang out and try to make you think they're dead. That's their defense. So we're going to have to take care of this. But I wanted you guys to see what we found. I'll put a brick over it where it can't get dug up. Okay, guys, what a way to start the day. But that is a nuisance pest, and they have killed so many of our chickens, gotten in the coops and things like that. So they can't stay around here, and there's really no way to relocate them. Thankfully, Rhodey didn't try to tangle with it, as long as it wasn't up there messing with them. It might be why it was staying over in the little shelter building, but Monty said it was setting on an egg, which means that's why I stuck my head in there, because I've got a couple of chickens that still keep getting out, and one of them likes to go lay in that shelter. So I always stick my head in there and kind of halfway crawl in there and look in the corners and stuff. And I mean, I know more than stuck my head through, kind of getting ready to lean in and check that building for eggs, because I kind of have to get down on my hands, and I move the straw around. And I saw it, and it was just like, whoa, back up. So when you have livestock, or especially poultry, you know, when anything needs to be dispatched or dies, I plant them, and they get decomposed so fast that and it just enriches the soil. I mean, you know, everything from dust, you know, it goes back to dust. So anyway, a little bit of our morning. Stick around. I have no idea what the rest of this day or this week will throw our way. So I know we still have water issues on one of our hydrants. So okay, this is the water issue this morning, and Not sure if you can see, but lots of water standing in that trench that Monty has dug. He's trying to dig on the back side of it to try to get it to drain, because we are on a pretty good hill here. I'm so glad we found this before the Arctic freeze gets here next week. So we have to replace this hydrant, definitely. And he went and got the hydrant yesterday, so we have a new hydrant to put in. Have I told you about my leaning pole with the trumpet vine on it? We talked about it in a live last night, and this is the leaning pole. Yeah, I'm not in an angle y'all can see. Can you see the water? There we go. Yep. It's a slow leak, but that's enough of a leak to cause a big problem, especially with freezing temperatures. Is that right, dear?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, what did we find so far?
It's leaking. I can't tell if it's the faucet or the connector, so probably what we're going to do is shut the water off. I'll go ahead and cut it off, and then I'll put testing.
I had it on, he doesn't.
Yeah, I'll put a new connector on it, and we'll go from there and put the new frost free on there that we got. So we got to go run water, so we'll have it while I've got the water shut off. So
Yep, going in the house to get some hand washing water, drinking water, fill everything up, and
yep.
because when you turn off the water to do something like this, there's no guarantee when you can turn it back on, right?
Right.
Yeah.
We always have that problem. So,
but not today. Today is positive, and it's going to work. Be a short little cut off.
like I said, me and Palming don't get along. So
I'm being positive.
we'll see what happens.
It will today. Need the girls that are out. Oh, back up. Let me in. Let me in. I got some scratch. Okay. Up. Back away. Back away. Goodness, y'all are. Come on. Come on. There you go. Crystal, you're getting so big. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, everybody's here. Hear the wind, guys? Okay, can you guys see how beautiful he is? Look at that guy. He is so beautiful. I just think a frizzle is like, if I can get some of these girls out of the way. I am so glad we were able to get him. Right now he just looks like a ball of fuzz. Frizzy. Frizzy Cosmo. Okay, all my chicken friends out there. Isn't he gorgeous?
But you got a hole
Okay,
right
guys.
there at the end, so.
We got this out and we cut the line. We just cut the hydrant off. Now we're trying to get the water out. Monty's gonna go do some more trenching.
Diverting the water?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Dump that out. Huh? Dump it. I'll have you, because I can't see the depth on it.
There we go.
You get it? Don't put them anywhere you don't want them later.
Don't put them anywhere. I'm anti-trumpet vine now. That's going to be above the ground level.
Dirt.
That wire.
Oh, you want to grab it?
Easiest thing to rake. Leave it on top.
As long as this covers that weed hole.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's working good. We got some gravel in. Now it's time to backfill. So, much taller. No leaks. Okay, they are just about through filling in the hole.
No, I did not throw a level on it. So.
Oh, we didn't throw a level on the... Well, no one would have known if you hadn't have said that. Okay, I'm going to move here real quick. Okay, it's already looking so much better. We got a lot of dirt down, gravel actually. And then some pea gravel to make sure that the wheat pole did not get backfilled with pea gravel. Okay, so this is the old one, and look at the wheat pole. It has a piece of pea gravel in there. So that could have been some of the problem. Sorry, having to move that. So that's the old crazy faucet. Monty's going to take all of that off of there. This thing was so short on the ground that he had to raise it. So much neater and cleaner. I'm not sure if y'all can hear us. I've got a wind guard on, but this is some mighty heavy wind. So we have water and no leaks. We brought you guys along for as much as we could of it. Kind of went fast there for a little bit.
On the homestead.
Like he said, just another day on the homestead. And the projects that pop up and take over your schedule. Okay guys, this is our first attempt since we know the roots to that, what's this, the trumpet vine, sorry. Since we know that they're not going around the hydrant right now, we think it's a good time to try to pull it out and try to get as much of the roots of that trumpet vine, and you see the trumpet vine. I love it. It looks cool, but it's detrimental to my water hydrant and garden. Oh my goodness! It's coming! Oh, this is wonderful! It's taking the trumpet vine and all. I could actually replant that trumpet vine if I wanted.
Hold on. Where's the...
Catch it!
Where's the trumpet?
Wow, look at the post. Look at the wind, guys. Look at the post. Totally. Yeah, see it? Yes. Ouch. Oh my goodness. Don't turn the rake the wrong way. Okay, I think the fence was still caught up in this pole. Wow. To have adult sons is the blessing of a lifetime. Woo! Oh! I might replant that. Me too. You know what? We need to try to dig up the stuff that's left with the chain. Oh, my pretty trumpet vine pole. The worm? Where's he going with that? Okay, we're gonna see if we can pull the rest of this trumpet vine out. And so back up. Have him back up. Woohoo! Nice. I hope that's trumpet. It's not, it's elm. Wow. What else? Oh, there's one more. That's probably trumpet. Okay, guys. Oh, getting it cleaned up. New hydrant. Getting it cleaned up. This is exciting. Okay, guys. This is not what I like to be doing, walking up here in the field, but Monty was up here with the tractor, bringing this post up, and the bucket just came off of the tractor. So I'm coming up here to show you, and we can see I have my trusty whip because the steers are watching us. Do what? The tractor borrower didn't lock the gate. Oh! Uh-oh. If y'all could hear that, the tractor borrower, the last person to use the tractor, did not latch the handles. And it was not this son, and it was not Monty. Okay, guys, you're not leaving me up here by myself. We're gonna go for a ride. I don't know if I'm, oh, no, Monty, hey. Oh, no. Hey, this hurts my back. Ow. Okay, we just finished working on the straw bales that we went and got. I'm just putting them in here, storing them in the lean-to. Give them some wind breaks. This faces the east, so there you go. Good boy, buddy. This gives them some good places to hunker down. Come check it out. Come here and check it out, buddy. Come here and check it out. Whoa. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He just ate some chicken. I just brought the straw bales home and I just plopped them, Moni and I just plopped them in here. Make it a little cozier in here if they wanted to cuddle up. It's straw. It's not hay. It's straw. Girls. Hi, pretty girl. Like toddlers and new toys, with new toys. He backed up to go ram her, and I was right here. I messed up his concentration. Oh my goodness. I might not be able to keep any of this hay out. I was just hoping to store it in here, use it as a windbreak, extra bedding, gardening, things like that. Thank you all for joining us, and we will see you on the next one. Y'all be blessed.